Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on Epic Games. So once you're inside your account, guys, you will find your display name on the upper right hand side. And that's your profile. As you can see, mine here is showing Drew10001. So I can easily go ahead and change that. If I click on it, you'll see a bunch of options. Just go ahead and click an account. And here you will take over to the account section. And here you'll find your display name, right? But you can easily click on the edit button here to edit the name, and you can put in a new name. So I can just go ahead and I could say Drew Tut, for example, and then I can just say tutorial. Let's put it. And let's see if it's gonna really take this. And here it mentions here that I understand that I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks. So you want to keep that. You can change this within 2 weeks, and that's it. So I'm gonna choose, for example, the Drew tutorial here, and I click and accept there, confirm it, and let's see if it allows me to use that name. But it should if all successful. As you can see, it's successfully changed, and that would be my new name. And that's it, guys. I can go ahead and I can refresh my page, and as you can see here in the upper right hand side, the new display name is now changed, or the account name there, let's say, or username. You get it? And that's it. For easy and very simple.